Hi, it's a great day. Let's do some sports. Black Stars coach CK Akonnor has admitted that his team's clash against Sudan in the 2021 African Cup of Nations qualifiers will be difficult. The Stars will host the North Africans later today at Thursday at the Cape Coast Stadium, a venue where they recorded a 2-0 win against South Africa in November last year.
They didn't have that because most of the players are home-based players. They've been together for quite some time now. But we're not really worried about that. It's a fact that they come and they would like to play defensive, make it difficult for us. But we are aware of what they're capable of doing and that we're prepared. Very well, today we'll go through some video sessions and we'll let the guys know what ought to be done tomorrow, and hopefully we'll do well.
Still on Black Stars, and skipper Andre Ayew has lauded his teammates for honoring the call-up ahead of the 2021 AFCON qualifiers against Sudan. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, some players were not able to honor a call-up for this encounter. Speaking ahead of the game, Ayew heaped praise on his teammates and also stressed that they are determined to win the game today.
Proud to be here. I think any player that has been called up to the national team, it's a big honor to represent his nation, our nation, Ghana. I'm very pleased with the reaction from everyone. We had issues in the last camping with COVID, players who had it, etc. Been difficult for some clubs, letting their players come, being hard on it. But I think we showed that everyone is ready to play for the nation and knows what it means to wear the jersey. So I'm very happy.
GFA President Kurt Okraku has challenged his players of the Black Stars to step onto the pitch and fight for Ghana. He said this yesterday when he visited the team ahead of the 2021 AFCON qualifier against Sudan at the Cape Coast Stadium. The Black Stars are seeking to maintain their high-flying start to the qualifiers later today when they take on the North Africans.
To thank all of you for coming, because we all know the circumstances that has confronted not only the world but ourselves as individuals. All of us as individuals had the option to stay away, but you guys have decided to come for Ghana. I thank you. This journey started some months ago with a game against South Africa, right? And we exited these premises as victors. Today or tomorrow, all of us have an opportunity to continue with that success story. I believe we have enough quality here to make us proud tomorrow. I know you guys have sacrificed a lot, but tomorrow is the day to show to the world that your sacrifice means a lot. It is possible. And tomorrow, let's go onto the pitch and fight. We have no bullets, but we have our feet, we have our heads. Let's go onto the pitch and fight, and let's make history together. I thank you so much. I wish you guys the best of luck, and Almighty God will see us through tomorrow. Thank you.
Ghana have a 100% record in the qualifiers so far after winning their first two matches against South Africa and the Sao Tome and Principe. Now let's move to the Ghana Premier League, and Betway Ghana have donated to Aduana Stars, Ashanti Gold and Liberty Professionals ahead of the 2021 Ghana Premier League season scheduled to start this weekend. All three clubs are sponsored by the leading betting company in Ghana. The donation, which was made to the representatives of the clubs, included footballs, agility ladders, training bibs, and other sports equipment. The upcoming season is expected to go through till the weekend of July 16th and 18th, 2021. Now some more stories on African football. And Confederation of African Football President Ahmad has been released from hospital after 10 days in isolation with the coronavirus in Cairo. Described as with minimal risk of complications and not contagious anymore, the 60-year-old has returned to his home in the Egyptian capital. The FIFA vice president was taken to the hospital hours after testing positive for COVID-19 on 30th October. The Malagasy is at the start of his campaign for re-election while also facing an ongoing FIFA ethics case. In a month, he is scheduled to lead Africa's General Assembly. Now let's do some more international friendly stories. And Croatia Captain Vida played the first half of a 3-3 draw with Turkey before finding out he had tested positive for COVID-19 last night. The centre-back was already scheduled to be replaced. A statement said Vida will, in accordance with regulations, spend the next few days in self-isolation in Istanbul. The rest of the squad will now travel to Sweden on the Nations League match on Saturday. All players and staff had tested negative on Monday, but further tests on Wednesday morning found Vida to be positive. In other stories, Gary Southgate is hoping Joe Gomez has avoided a serious knee injury after upsetting the sight of the Liverpool defender collapsing in pain during England training. The 23-year-old had been due to play a key role in this month's triple header, only to pull up in an alarming fashion on the eve of Thursday's friendly with the Republic of Ireland. The defender will undergo further diagnosis on the issue with Liverpool's medical team.
It's not a good situation. I don't see him being involved in the games with us, that's for sure. We can't speculate the exact nature of the injury. It's not possible until we've seen scans. So, as I say, my immediate thoughts are with him, and because he's had some difficulties with injury in the past. So, we're hoping as much as we possibly can and praying that it's not going to be a long.
Let's switch gears to boxing, and Deontay Wilder has called on Tyson Fury to honor his agreement for a third fight. Earlier this week, Fury said Wilder will never get a shot after the American accused him of putting something hard in his gloves before their February bouts. Fury beat Wilder in Las Vegas to win the WC World Heavyweight title 14 months on from them fighting to a draw. A trilogy fight was due to take place during the summer, but delays have led Fury to seek other plans and state that their rematch clause has lapsed. That's it for MX Breaks on Sports. I am Selvin Saki. Stay tuned.